All right, today we're going to take a look at my first Zippo of 2021. Okay, so this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA, and it is the Sasquatch design, and it's got that idiotic P65 warning. And Zippo is located in Bradford, PA, USA. So there is the Sasquatch. It's on a green, forest green matte finish. It's pretty nice. And this one was made in, looks like G of 20, which is July. It's got really good stampings on it. Now this one came with a steel, plain steel insert, but I put the brass colored steel insert, and it looks a little bit better. It fires up nice. That's the Sasquatch. Let's do a drop test on the Sasquatch. A lit drop test. Okay, passes the lit drop test. It's definitely a good one. And it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.